In this video, we will discuss ProClear Plus. We will go over the function of this product, when and how much of the product you should add, as well as the alternative hot tub chemicals that it replaces. ProClear Plus is an all-in-one solution that helps to make hot tub maintenance easy. This patented water enhancer improves sanitizer performance, allowing you to achieve safe, clean, and clear water. It also helps to minimize pH fluctuations to reduce the frequency of adding balancing chemicals. It softens and conditions the water and has a mild lavender scent, providing a pleasurable bathing experience. ProClear Plus protects plumbing lines against the buildup of biofilm, non-living organics, and calcium deposits, protecting your hot tub and providing optimal long-term performance. ProClear Plus is a weekly product that is added after you have checked your water for correct pH and alkalinity balance with your test strips. Assuming your water is in balance, make sure to shake the bottle well prior to use. The product separates and requires mixing prior to each use. Once you have shaken the bottle, add 1 capful or 5 ounces of ProClear Plus to spas up to 1600 liters. If your spa is over 1600 liters or is constantly being used by 4 or more bathers, you'll want to increase this to 1.5 to 2 capfuls or 7.5 ounces to 10 ounces. The dosage instructions will differ from the recommended dosage instructions on the bottle. However, these dosages are our recommendations on what we have found to work the best. It is very important to use ProClear Plus on a consistent basis. Failure to use the product consistently can lead to issues in 2 main areas. Number 1, calcium can build up in the plumbing lines and result in potential issues down the road with pump seals and calcification of other pump components. Have a look at the difference between the 2 pump internals. The one on the left was using ProClear Plus, and the one on the right was not using the chemical. Number 2, biofilm can build up in the plumbing lines, which reduces the effectiveness of your sanitizer and can cause the slow release of biofilm deposits into the hot tub. Once biofilm has built up in the lines, it can take a while to remove layer by layer, so it is easiest to prevent these issues before they occur.